This is 60 seconds on using the loft command in Fusion 360. Hipsters looking for an apartment? Keep on moving. Lofts connect dissimilar profiles, blending the space between to create complex volumes or surfaces. These can be simple, as in the case shown here, or complex by using guidelines to steer the shapes between each of the profiles the user defines. Fusion offers a number of different options in order to control the shapes and to make sure that they are exactly as the user intends. Profiles don't have to be parallel to one another. They can be at different angles, and you can control the shape between them using the guidelines just as well. This is especially useful for piping, ducting, and other sheet metal forms like that. Problems with lofts occur only then when you have self-intersecting forms. In this example, I purposely created a very extreme center line. While this fails, the software does give you feedback and let you know what's going on. More information is available here. And as always, good luck.